there are so many forward thinkers here, all in one space that are converging into one location.
I'm incredibly impressed with the openness of the information that's been provided, the real partnership approach.
The quality of the speakers has been fantastic, and the interaction and the time in between the fireside chats and the presentation has been incredibly valuable.
This sort of things with all different parts of the ecosystem coming together and making it happen, I think this happens only in Florida.
Share a common goal of advancing autonomous mobility within the state of Florida. So sharing that common goal across the board is absolutely incredible to see converge all in one spot.
It is great to get together as a group and share the various learnings and experiences of so many different disciplines in autonomy.
You really get to expand what you know, you get to expand who you know, and that just makes us all better in the long run.
Yeah, it was just really good and refreshing to hear people with that passion talking about AV.
The AV culture right now is all one for all. In other words, we are all trying to make each other succeed.
Everybody has their niche and everybody's growing and learning together, and that to me is what's so exciting.
I have a lot of great ideas from different peers in this conference. It's great, we learn a lot.
Every year it just seems to get more interesting and at the same time more practical.
I love coming to FAV, and I'll be the first person in Tampa for FAV 2023.
Please join us in Tampa for the next FAV Summit. We look forward to seeing you there.